Today I'm gonna change the radiator of my Land Cruiser. Oh, I'll show you the old one. This is my old one. This is the top. It's leaking somewhere over here. Yeah, normal for a Land Cruiser. Anyways, I already managed to put this one in. So all you have to do is take off this bolt. 1, there's a bolt here. 2, you have to get it right over there. 1, 2, and on the other side same. 4. 1, 2. The bottom ones have a very long bolt. Those are from the bottom. Yeah, it's got this one too. Took it off. And then you have, for the hoses, you have to remove this one. 1. Where's the water reservoir? This one. 2 on top. It goes over here. Okay? 2 on top. On the bottom, you have to remove the big one over here. There's 3, small one, 4, and 5. This one goes over here. This one also goes over here. And where's the other one? It's here. The shroud. I moved the shroud forward to the engine so I can pull it up. Okay? If you don't push the shroud, you can't pull it. This one will hit. Alright. Now we got that explained. Yeah, you have to take the skid plate out so you can reach it. First, take the skid plate out, drain the fluids. Look at that, I got new ones. Drain the fluids, and for up here, right, you're gonna take off 4 bolts there, and you're gonna remove this one too. This one goes over here. 1, 2 for the shroud. This one too, this bracket, and another one for the shroud. And I took this off because it gets in the way. It's easier without this one. For this one, you only need 2 bolts here. 1, 2, and it goes here. 1, 2, and that's it. Pretty straightforward. Not too hard. Yeah, my Land Cruiser 100. That's my Hilux Surf 1KZT diesel. Yeah, love this thing. Alright. Actually, it's much more easier. You see that Audi A4 over there? That is a pain in the ass. Just getting to the air filters is a pain in the ass. German engineers. American and Japanese cars are way better and easier to fix. Okay, gotta get my ass back to work, and I'll just post some photos. Let's test a Land Cruiser AHC. Okay, turn the engine on, and then right there it's off, right? Okay, click the button. Okay, now I can manually engage it. Flick the switch up, then it's gonna go up. Oop. There. Let's get out of the car. Check it out. Okay, it's racing. Alright, water is okay. I mean the fluid level is okay. It's on max. I overdid it a little. Now I have to get a measuring tape and measure the space here to here, the center, or maybe here, it'll do, or here, same, pretty much. So fragile, and the most fragile of all Land Cruisers, and I bought it, and I love it. Yeah! Okay, so I bled the system. Let's check out the AHC. Headache. Land Cruiser. Oh yeah. I really like the comfort settings. It's like riding on a Land Cruiser 80 series with a 3-inch lift. Okay, AHC, one down. Let's go to low. Low. Close the doors. There you go. Low rider. Got stance. Yeah. Gonna be like this one. Right. Check out the high. Okay, blinking on high. Before I bled the AHC, the motor was like making a whirring sound. Just turns out it doesn't have fluid in it, and it hasn't been bled. Rise! Rise! Yes. You know, it's like it's got a hard-on. Alright, so check the height. Yep, that's about 2 of my fists from low. Yeah, I think it's better now. Maybe the one of the globes here is I need to replace it someday. There's like white liquid coming out of it. Alright, so Land Cruiser 100. Big headache and drinks a lot of gas. It's really thirsty. Yeah.